Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to discuss a very important topic, that is tips to improve speaking skills. Speaking skills are really important for a successful academic and professional life. So let's learn some important tips. Speak, speak, and speak. Just start speaking before thinking about anything else. That will boost your confidence. Work on your listening. The more you listen, the more you improve. Reflect on your conversations. Record yourself speaking and listen back to learn how much you have improved. Immerse yourself in English language news to learn new vocabulary. Curiosity doesn't always kill the cat, so keep on asking questions while learning new words and phrases. Don't forget to have fun and don't take learning English or speaking English as a burden. Read aloud to improve your pronunciation. Learn to sing a song or a poem. That will make learning English something enjoyable. Practice public speaking. That will improve your confidence. Keep a record of your progress. Ask the people around you to correct your mistakes so that you don't repeat them again. Play online vocabulary games. Learn short daily usage expressions. Don't study grammar too much because that will confuse you. Just start speaking and gradually learn grammar. Try to think in English, not in your native language. Tell about your daily activities and routine in English to someone and watch videos and movies with English subtitles. Yeah, start speaking for today. All the best. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel to learn more about English language and literature. Thanks for watching.